book, the President of the Gambela People National Union State, Your Excellencies, at the Deputy Governor, the Vice President of the Gambela People National Union State, and the head of the Public Service and Development Bureau, Your Excellencies, at the Magdalena Park, the head of the Gambela Prosperity Party, Your Excellencies, at the Baba Minister, the head of our Gambela Union Affairs, Your Excellencies, Dr. Elijah Todorovic, the head of Malaysia Gambela Union Affairs, Your Excellencies, Dr. Kalabul, the Dean of Gambela Teacher Education and Health Science College, a senior government official, the parents, related, friends of the graduates, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude and honor in congratulating you for the successful completion of the program. As we all are aware, Gambela meeting of the largest number of refugees, about 300,000, with the school-going age children being half of the refugee population in Gambela. With the huge number of refugee children and youth, access to quality education becomes